Come on, video. Tornado warning!
Across northwest Arkansas, low-level moisture will be slower to return, but winds will likely not be quite as strong as those in northeast Oklahoma. Wind gusts near 30 miles per hour are forecast in northwest Arkansas, with minimum afternoon relative humidity values in the 25 to 35% range. Avoid outdoor activities that could create a spark or flame. Properly dispose of cigarettes. At 10:54. This is the National Weather Service office in Tulsa. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio. All hazards public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by an impending hazard. Tests of these signals and receivers' performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. local time.
I don't know why they say 10 p.m., but they do it at 11.
The test will be postponed until the next good weather day.
Reception of these broadcasts, especially the warning tone,
will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. In Oklahoma, Adair, Atoka, Bryan, Craig, Cherokee, Choctaw, Creek, Cole, Delaware, Haskell, Hughes, Latimer, LaFleur, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee, Nowata, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagoner, and Washington. In Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington. In Missouri, McDonald and Berry. And in southeast Kansas, Chautauqua, Labette, and Montgomery. This concludes this week's test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. We now return to our normal programming. Springfield has issued a red flag warning, which is in effect from noon today to 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. The fire weather watch is no longer in effect. Affected area, fire weather zones 073, 097, and 101 fire weather zones 055, 056, 057, 058, 066, 067, 068, 069, 070, 071, 077, 078, 079, 080, 081, 082, 088, 089, 090, 091, 092, 093, 094, 095, 096, 101, 102, and 103. Wind. Sustained winds ranging from 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts ranging from 25 to 40 miles per hour. Humidity. Relative humidity will fall below 30% in many areas of the Missouri Ozarks. Thunderstorms. No thunderstorms are expected. The highest threat for a rapid spread of wildland fires will be along the Ozark Plateau across Berry, Lawrence, Christian, Greene, Webster, and Wright counties. These counties are experiencing drought conditions and have very dry vegetation at this time. Impacts. Any fires that develop will likely spread rapidly. Outdoor burning is not recommended. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior. Repeating, a red flag warning has been issued from noon Central Daylight Time until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Berry and McDonald.